The question says, what is the mass in grams of 1.27 moles of magnesium chloride? Well, in order to do this, we need an equality between grams and moles for magnesium chloride. Said another way, we need its molar mass. Well, in order to find the molar mass of magnesium chloride, we first need to find the formula of magnesium chloride. So if we check our periodic table, magnesium is in group 2A, so it is 2 plus. Chloride is in group 7A, so it is 1 minus. So we have Mg2 plus and Cl minus. Just like we did before, we cross these like this, and what we find is that magnesium chloride is MgCl2. So now that we know the formula of magnesium chloride, we can find its molar mass. So again, we find on the periodic table magnesium, which is 24.31 grams, plus we have 2 chlorines, so we have to take 2 and add to that 35.45 grams. And when we do that math, we find that the molar mass of magnesium chloride is 95.21 grams per mole. Okay, I guess technically I should put grams per mole here and grams per mole here, so that the unit was consistent, but we were finding the mass of 1 mole. So this gives us a molar mass. So essentially it's magnesium and 2 chlorines, so we take the molar mass of magnesium and add it to the molar mass of 2 chlorines. Of course, you could also Google the molar mass of MgCl2 and you'll get the same answer. So now we're starting with 1.27 moles. Well, if we look at this as an equality, like we did in the previous question, what this means is 95.21 grams of MgCl2 is equal to 1 mole of MgCl2. But now we need to use this to solve this. So if we start with 1.27 moles of MgCl2 and we want to convert it to grams, we have to decide what do we put on the top and what do we put on the bottom. Do we put the 95.21 grams or the 1 mole? Well, we have moles and we want to cancel it out. So we put the 1 mole of MgCl2 on the bottom and the 95.21 grams of MgCl2 on the top. So essentially 1.27 times 95.21 and then divide by 1, which obviously you don't need to do because that's going to be the same number because it's just a 1. And when you do that math and you round to 3 significant figures, because this has 3 and this has 4, so therefore 3 significant figures, it's 121 grams of MgCl2, like so.